Ever wonder what your pet actually sees when they look at you? You're not just a person to them. You're a puzzle they've been trying to solve for thousands of years. They don't see our jobs, our bank accounts, or our drama. To them, we are something entirely different. Let's dive into how different species see the human race. Let's start with your best friend. Dogs have evolved alongside us, and they are masters at reading our micro-expressions. Your dog doesn't think you're just a bigger dog. They recognize you as a completely different species that provides everything they need. To a dog, you're the center of their universe, a provider, a protector, and the leader of their pack. That's why your arrival at the door feels like a massive reunion to them. Cats are a different story. They don't look at us as leaders. Researchers often suggest that cats view humans as oversized, non-threatening social partners. When a cat rubs against your leg or meows at you, they aren't treating you like an enemy. They are using communication techniques they specifically adapted just for humans. They know you aren't a cat, but they've decided you're a roommate worth keeping around. Now, shift your perspective to wild animals. To a deer or a squirrel, you don't even have a personality. You fall into one of two boxes: a threat to be avoided or a piece of the environment to be navigated. In cities, animals like squirrels and foxes have learned that we are basically just moving trees that occasionally drop food. They don't care about who you are, they only care about what you do. The higher the intelligence, the more complex the view. Crows, for example, can remember individual human faces. They track which of us are safe and which are dangerous, and they even warn their flock about you. Then there's the octopus, an animal so alien that its view of us is a total mystery. Some have been shown to react differently to specific human keepers, proving they know we aren't just background noise. Here's the truth. Animals aren't watching our movies or reading our books. They are watching us. Every movement, every mood, and every habit we have is being interpreted. We aren't the main characters of their world. We are just part of the pattern they use to survive. So next time you're with your pet, remember, you're not just a human to them. You're a signal they've learned to read. So the next time your dog goes crazy at the door, or your cat curls up next to you instead of running away, remember what's actually happening.